How to fix Binance Authenticator. Note that this will work a bit better if you are verified, as you are already connected and verified that you are actually somewhat trustworthy, or maybe you're a real person. But anyways, just go ahead to your user ID. There's an arrow there. Just go ahead and press that, and you'll be able to see your verifications or authentications. Press on that, and you can do multiple ways to try fixing your authenticator. And once you're verified, just go to the security option, where you'll be able to see that there are two-factor authentications. So you could either go ahead and reset these authentications to something better or something new in order to fix it. So let's say we're trying to fix our biometrics and passkeys. So, and put in mind that we have just maybe took it out to put in another one. So just go ahead and choose an authenticator, maybe a passkey or a security key. And once you're gonna go ahead and try using that authenticator again, now that it's reset, you should be able to have a better or a more working Binance login authenticator method or option. So again, try and resetting your authenticator and see if that works. Hopefully this video helps you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.